This tutorial review will show you how to delete multiple Snapchat message and friends at once. Open your Snapchat and tap on your profile at the top left corner. Tap on this gear icon at the top right. And inside of privacy control section, tap on clear data. And here you'll find clear conversations options. You have to tap on that. And now here you will get all of your Snapchat message or conversations. Now you have to tap on this cross next to the conversation one by one to delete them. So this is really very easy process to delete multiple Snapchat messages, friends at once. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.